Hi there, buddy. Think you know it all? Well, did you know wombats are nature's sculptors? Ha! Hold on. Today I'll tell you 5 facts you've probably heard 1,000 times, but never like this. Ready for some brain spam? Behold, the fruit that fooled billions. But that's just the start. Today we'll prove the world is a giant troll and the science is its best meme. Let's go! That's right, bananas are berries. What about strawberries? No. Botanists decided to mess with us. It's like saying your sneakers are not shoes but food clouds. Yeah, the world is more confused than you with the key instructions. Picture botanists screaming, "How can we make everyone gasp?" Boom! Bananas are now berries. Here's the logic. A berry has pulp, seeds inside, and skin. Bananas check all boxes. Strawberries? They are swollen flowers, seeds on the outside. So, eating one is basically munching a bouquet. But hey, don't go nibbling your garden yet. Finish this video first. Deal? Meet Turritopsis dorni. Evolution's ultimate control Z. It doesn't die. It just reboots. Imagine turning 90 and then going, nah, let's reset to toddler mode. But how? Under stress, it reverts to a polyp stage, like you regressing to a kindergarten after a work deadline. If I could do that, I would have rebooted after your meh comment. But no, I endure. Jealous to a jellyfish? Absolutely. 3 hearts, but not for romance. It's a hardcore optimization. 2 pump blood to the gills and shut off while swimming, and 1 keeps things running. It's like having 2 power banks that bail when you sprint for the bus. Lose 1 heart? Not a big deal. They will keep on living with 2 left. No biggie, they regrow arms too. Hey evolution, where's my upgrade? If Venus was a human, she would say, "I am not slow, you are all caffeine addicts." A day on Venus is longer than its year. That's right. This planet is even later than you are, so it spins slower than it orbits the Sun. Who even lives like that? 1 full rotation takes 243 Earth days. 1 trip around the Sun, 225. Maybe you have a question like, what about the logic? There is none. Moreover, when it spins backwards. Yep, retrograde style, thanks to some ancient cosmic collisions. And what about the atmosphere? Acid clouds, like an eternal Padman day. Ah, thanks God, we don't live there, otherwise our speed dating would last years. Nature was like, let's make a poop cubic. And wombats were like, oh, why? And nature like, for fun. And voila, the only animals with Lego guts. They are long, uneven intestines, sculpt perfect poop cubes that don't roll but stay on the place, marking territory like, "You shall not pass." So, if you ever needed a creative way to leave your mark, take notes. So, buddy, still think the world makes sense? Huh? Drop a plus in the comments if your brain upgraded today. or minus if it all went in one ear and out of the other. Haha. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next dose of J-Jam. Now, excuse me, I've got a Jellyfish style reboot to attempt. J out.